back. I'm Vinudhi Wahalathanthri and I'm here with my 19th video from the eShop Web Project Development Series. So in this video, we'll be talking about the basic search process of a product. Okay, so let's begin. So in my previous video, we talked about this advanced search process design. So in this video, we'll be talking about the basic search product process and how it's worked. Okay, so let's begin to examine this process. So, for example, let's think, I need to search products, starting with the letter A, or products with the letter A. So, like Google, I can search this like this. So y'all can see that all products, including the letter A, will be loaded over here. Okay, so y'all can see that in this row, I have added my input text field where I have to search my products according to something we type. And over here, I have given the categories I have added in my database. So, for example, let's think we want to search cell phones, including the letter A. So when we search, y'all can see that all cell phones which has the letter A has been loaded over here. So these cards, y'all can see that the title of that product has been added, their price, how many items are available. We can also buy now the product and add it to cart. We can also add it to cart, add it to watch list. So this is the process of this basic search product. So what it does is when we search a product, it searches the products we have saved in our database according to the details we have given. So let's move on to see the backend codes I have given for this process. Okay, so in my home page, I have added this search option. So y'all can see that I have added my input text field over here, and I have added an ID for it as basic search text. So next I have added my selector tag where I have loaded all my categories from my database. So y'all can see that I have taken all the data from my category table, and then I have added them as my options over here. So next, I have made a button as search where I have given an on-click as basic search, and for that I have given a 0. So let's move on to see the JavaScript codes I have given for this on-click. Okay, so this is the function that I have started for this on-click. So without 0, I have taken it as X. So in my function, basic search, I have taken the IDs of my search field and the selector tag, and then I have assigned them to new variables as varSelect and varTXT. So next, I have put these values inside the form and append them to new values over here. And y'all can see that I have appended something extra over here where I have given the X with a value as page. So next I have created an AJAX request, and then I have added basic search result as my response text. Okay, so next I have sent these details in the post method to my basic search process.php file. So y'all can see that I have created a form over here because I'm sending these details in the post method. So let's see what I have done in my basic search process.php file. So y'all can see that I have added a PHP script. Then I have added a require for my connection.php file. Then I have taken the values which I sent from the post method, and then I have assigned new variables for it. So y'all can see that I have given a query over here as select all from product. So I have assigned $query for it. So this will be our main query. So y'all can see that I have added a if-else letter with some queries like over here. So this is the main query. So according to this if, where I have given where title like txt, then this query will be binded to this query and work accordingly. So over here I have coded if my txt is not empty, then my query should be select all from product, while title should like $txt. So it should be like my search text. So likewise, I have added an if-else letter over here according to that options or details I have given. So over here, I have added my products. So I have added a PHP script over here. And over here, I have coded the way my pages should work. And then I have taken a database search and the query I have added over here. And I have assigned it to $product_rs or my result set. Then I have taken the num rows of it, and then I have given the results per page. So this part is for my pagination. So next I have added my $selected result set where I have given a database search as $query limit results per page offset $page results. Okay, so next I have taken the num rows of my selected rs, and then I have fetched the data from it and assigned it to $selected data. So over here I have taken the data from my image table. So it should be, so the product ID should be equals to $selected data ID. So over here I have coded my card with my price, title. So over here I have added if my selected data quantity is more than 0, then the item should be viewed. I should have an ability to buy the product and add it to cart. So if I don't have any products left, then I should get these as out of stock, 0 items available, and I cannot buy the product and I cannot add to cart. So over here I have coded my watch list. So if my watch list num is equals to 1, then I have added a class with an onClick add to watch list. So we talked about this watch list part in my home.php file. So when we were talking about our home page, we discussed about these parts in it. So likewise, I have coded my watch list over here and then ended my PHP script. So over here, I have coded my pagination. Okay, so these are the codes I have given for this basic search process. So I hope you all understood what I said. So thank you so much everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. So thank you. Have a nice day and bye.